Alright, so what we're doing is back here replacing this old rear wiper motor we got from got a decent one from a junkyard. Brand new, they're a fortune. So you can see this one here, there's like oil dripping out, rusted. It's all this, there's all this black stuff all over it. So this thing's shot. It was staying up in the like halfway position. The way to take it out is there's these three bolts here. 1, 2, 3. You loosen those up, and there's a bolt that holds the wiper on right here. You take that out and just pry it off. So, and you just take this and just throw it in the trash. So now we're putting the wiper back on. You put the three bolts on. Put the wiper where you want it to be. No, you want it to be down. There you go. I mean, we probably should have turned it on. It's alright. Alright, do not, and there's a cover that goes over here. We're not going to put the cover on right now.
Let me fix this.
What are you going to do? It's going to go in the same spot. You have to take it off and then back on. It has a spline on it. This is Wyatt, up and coming helper.
You just pull it off?
Yeah. Just like the other one came off. Remember? I just yanked it. Ooh. I don't want to go to the junkyard and get a new windshield. See that? Came right off. Wait, hold on. Let's do this. Open this up. Did you plug the connector in?
Yep.
All right. Let's turn it on for a second. Okay, ready? Does it work? Okay, take two. We turned the car on and it went to the position.
It's not on.
Now we're just tightening that bolt. There we go. Alright. Now, I think we should go do it again.
Test it.
Let's go test it again. Here. Film the test. Ready? Here we go.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna turn it up. Oh, look at that.
Doesn't go all the way.
Let me hit this. What the heck? Hey, that works. A lot of noise.
It doesn't go all the way.
It doesn't go all the way where? It doesn't supposed to.
It's not supposed to.
That's it. That's all you get.
It's dirty. It's all the water.
You think you wanted to go all the way over?
It
doesn't.
Here, oh, here you go, Mr. Family.
Alright, there you go. So there was the three bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. This thing slides in here. And we had to take this panel off, which just has all these little push buttons. We just put it back in. Snap, snap, snap. This is proof that Wyatt works on his own car. Something, doesn't this have to slide in first? There we go.
That's the problem. This one didn't come out.
No, it just got to slide in. See how it slides in?
Yeah.
You can slide in there. Oh, it's got to get up over this. There. Are we good? What happened?
It's not sliding in. What? How's this just going?
You just gotta get your purse out and you hit it. So now look, now, hold on, look at this. Look at the thing here, this thing, see these?
Mm-hmm.
These are supposed to go in here. And then these go in here. So I think it goes the other way, it goes like this. But you have to see if you can get these in.
I have 2 hands.
You have to do it. You have to bend that thing up because it's bent. It's all bent out of whack. Look at this. See this? It's bent.
Can you see it?
Nope.
It's not even
Yeah, that
close.
thing's bent.
It's not even close there.
You want a screwdriver? I mean, if you pull it this way, will it bend back for long enough for it to... You don't want to break it, but... And the other one has that one.
Put this one. Just can't see it. It's going like this.
And it's supposed to be two rivet, plastic rivets go in there. That's one.
I don't know if that's it.
All right, let me see. I can do it one hand. Oh, you got it? Right there. It's in. And then you just have that one pin that you broke up somewhere. You put it up in there. I would put it on this side. This is when you pull down on it. All right, hold on. Pull it out. Let me show you how this thing works. Push that pin out. It's a little it's like a plastic rivet. Put that in there, and then push the button. Done. There you go. Knock that off the list. Oh, the cover. Wherever the cover went. That thing is. It goes on easier than it comes off. Right. Done. That's how you replace a rear wiper. So if your rear wiper stops right here, you need a new wiper. Whole motor and everything. You can get it for GM for like over $100, or go to the junkyard and go grab one for, I don't know how much it was, half the price. All right.